Okay, children, I have discussed all the three first concepts with you. Now, the fourth concept of this particular exercise, that is concurrency. Concurrency. It is not congruency, it is concurrency. Concurrency means when three linear equations, that is, three equations are given to you, and when you solve them, three of them pass through one single point. Then these three lines will be called concurrent lines. Now, see question number 11, page 186. Find the point of intersection of the lines. So, see children, what is point of intersection of lines? You have done before also. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. To find the point of intersection means we have to solve these two equations simultaneously, which we have done in 9th standard also. So see, I am going to do it. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y is equal to minus 9. Multiplying the equations, for example, the first by 1 and second by 3, because I am solving them by the method of equating the coefficients. I can equate x also, I can equate y also. Since I find y is here, and this concept we have done in 9th standard also, so nothing new for it. So I am doing it, see what I get. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1, and of course 9x minus 3y is equal to minus 27. Solve it, because opposite sign, so on adding, add 9 4 13x is equal to minus 26, or x is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of x in one of the equation, minus 2, in 4 into minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 1. In place of x I have put minus 2. So minus 8 plus 3y is equal to 1, or 3y is equal to 1 plus 8, or y is equal to 9 upon 3. So this is 3. So children, what point did I get? Point I will write together in the ordered form, minus 2, comma 3. Now in the question he says the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection of first two equation. This lies on the third equation. What is third equation? 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4. Already the point lies on the equation. That means in place of x you have to put minus 2, because the point already lies. It has been given in the question. Minus 2 into 3 is equal to 4. Minus 4k plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 4, or minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 4, or minus 4k is equal to 8. Therefore k is equal to 8 upon minus 4 minus 2. So this is the value of k which you have to found, but the question was of concurrency. Concurrency means all the three lines intersect at one single point. If you want to verify children, you can put this point minus 2 comma 3 in first as well as second as well as third equation. You will find that in all the equation left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, the question number 12 is there. It is a little simpler one. I am just giving the hint of question number 12. Question number 12, first two equations, that is 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 and x minus 3y is equal to 6 has to be solved simultaneously, and once you get the point from there, x comma y, then you will put in the third equation. If the left hand side comes to right hand side, it is yes, the points are concurrent, otherwise no, the points are not concurrent. This is what they have asked. Again repeating all the four concepts: lie, pass, contain, bisect the join, and last is concurrency. Four types of sums. Any one type you will get in compulsory section from either by of 2 marks, maybe 3 marks. Now moving on, because ultimately what is our aim? we have to form the equation of line. Now you are going to the final part of the chapter, step by step equation of line. See, to form the equation of line, the most important and necessary step is slope. Slope. As in the morning, without brush you don't eat. Similarly, without slope you cannot find the equation of line. Without slope you cannot find the equation of line. So, finding the slope, there are three methods. One is very simple, m is equal to tangent theta. I have written the word m. M is to denote slope. Slope is denoted by small letter m. In this, the value of theta, that is inclination. Inclination means if a line is inclined like this, then only you have to find the slope. This is said to be theta. This will be given in the question. It can be 30, it can be 60, it can be 45, it can be in points also. If it is 30, 60, 45, they are standard angles, you have to take from table. Otherwise, you have to find from log tables. That also we will learn. But for now, second type of slope you find from 2-point form, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Where always x1, y1 and x2, y2, these 2 points will be given to you. And third type of slope is y is equal to mx plus c. This is slope intercept form. So first is inclination form, second is 2-point form, and third is slope intercept form. These three types of forms, you have three types of ways you can use to find the slope. And remember children, without finding slope, you cannot find the equation of line. And ultimately, these three will be used to find the equation of line. This is your question of ICSE, 4 marks, maybe 4 marks in compulsory section, maybe 3 marks in section B also in choice. You have to do this sum.